luxury bathroom transformations. Organic, modern. Before, after. I'll give you a designer tour of what makes each space feel truly premium. Notice the first luxury cue, curved arches. Then the hero material, stone bathtub. Finish with the details, alignment, join lines, and consistent hardware. Dark looks. Here's the after. Notice the first luxury Cutha, edge glow lighting. Hero materials, a glass tub and a marble feature wall. And this was the before. Warm, modern Luxe. Here's the after. First luxury cue, warm, layered lighting. Hero materials, marble walls, and LED lighting. The upgrade stack is always the same. Lighting, materials, layout, and details. And this was the before. Modern Mediterranean. Here's the after. The first premium signal is the brass gleam, consistent and warm. And this was the before. Quick recap. For luxury upgrades and for moods, organic, modern. Dark looks. Warm, modern Luxe. Modern Mediterranean. Comment bath for the materials list. This is Envision Designs. See you in the next review.